Hello, family, and welcome to another video. Today isn't a regular day, it's a beach day. We just parked our car in my aunt's car and we're unloading everything we just brought of us. On the way in, my sister spotted a cat and started playing with her. Let's listen for a second. She was so happy. Now we are heading to the house. Here are my dad and my aunt grabbing the rest of the stuff from the cars. Once inside, as always, my dad never forgets our daily drink. You already know what is it and what it does for us. After that, we sit down for a healthy, delicious breakfast. Simple, fresh, and exactly how we like it. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you soon, family.